So I'm quickly going to show you how you can use Google Drawings to do the collage art that you might be thinking of trying for the at-home art assignment. So first I would go into your Google Drive, then go up to the top left-hand corner where I've got the button for New. You're not going to create one of these, you're going to go to More and then slide down to Google Drawings. If we're thinking about doing a collage idea, we're going to need to collect some pictures, and then I'll show you how you can manipulate those pictures. Just unfortunately, I have very slow internet at this house. Here we go. So I have got my sheet here that I'm working with. And once this fully loads, there we go, I can click on Insert. I would like to insert an image, and I want to search for it. Just to make this quick, I am going to search for flowers and hit enter here, and it will come up with a bunch of search items for me. I'm going to pick this one to start. I'll just click and drag it into my document. I might find that when it appears at first, it's a lot larger than I want. I'm going to click on one of the corner buttons. If you click on a side button, either down here or over here, you're going to warp your image. But if you click on a corner button, it keeps the ratio of height to length the same, so your image doesn't get distorted. Then I'm going to pick another one just so we can see how these pictures work. Now it will initially put it side by side, but I want a collage feature, so I'm going to try having them overlap like this. If you want to change which one's on top, what you have to do is select the image itself, like maybe I'll click on this one. Then you're going to right click. If you're on a Chromebook, that means holding down an Alt and then tapping the mouse pad. And then I'm going to go to Order. This one was originally on the bottom with the other one on top, so this way I can bring it to the front or bring forward. And now you can see this one that I was working with is now on the top. If I wanted that to happen with this one, same idea. I right click, go to Order. Now I have the option here to bring this one to front to lay it over top. A few other things you can play with. Right up here, we've got lines for the border. Maybe I actually want a border and I want it to be nice and thick, like a 3, and I might make the border color instead of black, I might make it white, and then I've got that to separate images if I want. If I want to insert any shapes, I can go to this tool right here, and I can choose a whole lot of different shapes, and I can put them in, I can drag them, make them larger. I can change the fill color to make it something else. Ooh, that's really quite bright. There we go. I could also change that border color like I did for the images. The weight, I put it 3 like I did the others, and then I had a white border. There's a lot of different things you can play around with there. There's even more tools, but I wanted to give you that to get you started. You can also change the overall size of this. Like if for example, you had only filled up to about here, and you didn't want all this empty white space, you grab this corner down here, and you can resize the entire document. You can shape it to be whatever shape you want. Titling it would be a great idea, and then if you want to hand it in to me for marking, it's the same as you have for other things where you select this document from your drive, from your files. So it's always a good idea to have an idea of where it is in your drive, that you've organized it into a folder, but it will likely pop up as one of your first options anyway, because it will be one of the most recent files you worked on.